Roughly 10 minutes later, guys, you should be able to go in and fluff your rice. Guys, don't skip this part. You have to fluff the rice. You fluff in the rice to separate the grains and also releases the steam from the rice. Guys, this prevents the rice from getting mushy. So fluffing is important. Guys, I remember when I was younger and my mother always told me steam some rice. And whenever I steam the rice, I wouldn't fluff it. So she keep telling me fluff the rice. And I say one day, I forget and she gave me a rotted clabber. And I tell you, from that day, I never forget to fluff the rice. So yeah, fluffing the rice is important. If the grains are a little hard, add a little water to the pot and cover for about 5-7 more minutes, and your rice should be looking like this, guys. Nice, fluffy. The grains are separated. It has a nice texture, and yeah, looks good. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.